How to change canvas size in the Filmora app. If you have been using the Filmora app to edit your photos or videos and don't know how to change its size, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app, just right here. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit. Now to change the canvas size, tap onto the video timeline track, just right here. Now tap on it. After that, here we can find the crop option. Now select it. Now to change the size, simply you can choose from here options, just right here. You can choose from here, just like this. Or you can simply make your own size by tapping onto this corner, just right here, and just adjusting and zooming in or out, just like this. After adjusting it, tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the canvas size has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change the canvas size in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.